Imagine you have a great app idea. You think about it clearly. You describe its features and its purpose. Then, almost like magic, the app starts to appear. You can see it forming on your screen. You did not write any complex lines of code. This new way of creating software is emerging. It feels quite different from traditional development. This power is now becoming a tangible reality for many. This new method is often called vibe coding. It is beginning to change how we build software. This represents a significant shift in the technology world. Many developers and creators are very excited. Vibe coding aims to make development more intuitive. It feels like a natural progression in software engineering. Think of it as having a very smart assistant. This assistant understands your software dreams and helps build them. So what exactly is vibe coding in simple terms? It uses advanced artificial intelligence systems. These AI systems are trained to understand human language. They can interpret your spoken or written ideas for an application. The AI then translates these ideas into functional computer code. You describe the vibe or essence of your app. The AI handles the complex technical coding details. It focuses on clear communication, not just rigid programming commands. This approach makes software creation much more accessible to everyone. Where did this concept of vibe coding come from? It primarily grew out of significant advances in AI research. Specifically, the development of large language models was crucial. These models can understand and generate human-like text and now code. Scientists and engineers wanted to make coding easier. They aimed to lower the entry barrier significantly. This would allow more people to build their own tools. Vibe coding is the result of many years of dedicated work. Now these innovative ideas are starting to take practical shape. The vibe coding process is designed to be straightforward. It usually starts with your initial prompt. In this step, you explain your application idea. You should aim to be as clear as possible. You can use natural, everyday language for this description. Describe the features you want the application to have. Explain how it should look, feel, and behave. The AI system listens very carefully to capture every detail. This first input is a very crucial part of the process. Next, the artificial intelligence system gets to work. It takes your detailed description as its input. The AI uses its vast training data. This data includes knowledge of many programming languages and software patterns. The AI then begins to write the actual software code. This generated code will form the backbone of your application. It builds the necessary structure and implements the requested functions. It is like having a very fast and highly skilled programmer. This code generation step is largely automated by the AI. After the AI generates the initial version of the application, you, the creator, get to see what it has made. You can interact with the app and test it thoroughly. Check if it matches your original vision and requirements. If something is not quite right, you do not need to worry. You simply tell the AI what needs to be changed. You provide specific feedback for improvements and adjustments. This feedback helps the AI understand better. This process is often an iterative cycle. You prompt the AI with your ideas and requirements. The AI generates the code based on your input. You then review the output and test the application. After testing, you refine your prompts or give new instructions. This loop of prompting, generation, and review continues. It goes on until the application is perfect. It needs to be exactly what you envisioned it to be. It is a collaborative effort between you and the AI. One of the most significant benefits of vibe coding is accessibility. Many more people can now participate in creating software. You do not necessarily need years of formal coding training. If you have a well-thought-out idea, you can start building it. This opens up technology creation to diverse individuals and minds. It empowers non-technical founders, designers, and domain experts. This increased accessibility is truly a game changer for the industry. It democratizes software development for a wider audience. Vibe coding also brings incredible efficiency to the development process. Building applications can become much faster than before. The AI is capable of writing code much quicker than human programmers. This significantly reduces the overall development time. It also helps to lower the associated costs of building software. Companies can bring their new products to the market much sooner. In today's fast-paced world, this speed is a huge advantage. It allows for rapid prototyping and deployment. With easier and faster development, we naturally see more innovation. People can experiment with new and unconventional ideas more freely. The risk involved in trying out something novel is lower. If an innovative idea does not work out as planned, less time is lost. This encourages bold thinking and fosters greater creativity. We might see a surge in unique and niche applications. These applications can cater to specific needs. This fosters a vibrant and dynamic tech ecosystem. Vibe coding has many practical, real-world applications already. Startups can build their minimum viable products, MVPs, very quickly. They can test their core business ideas without huge initial investment. In education, students can learn about app development more easily. They can focus on important aspects like design and user experience. Large, established companies can also benefit greatly. They can automate the creation of internal tools and utilities. This frees up their skilled developers for more complex tasks. While vibe coding is powerful, it also comes with challenges. The AI might not always understand your prompts perfectly. Misinterpretations can happen, especially with complex ideas. Sometimes the code generated by the AI might contain errors. These errors are often called bugs in software. Therefore, human oversight and review are still very important. We need to carefully check the AI's work for correctness. Ensuring the quality of the final product is key for user satisfaction. Security is another very big consideration for vibe coding. Any AI-generated code must be secure and robust. We need to make absolutely sure that applications are safe. They must be well protected from hackers and various cyber threats. User data privacy is extremely important and must be prioritized. Developers and teams using vibe coding tools must focus on this. Implementing secure coding practices from the start is essential. This includes regular security audits and testing of the generated code. Over-reliance on AI or dependence could also be a risk. If people only use vibe coding for all tasks, what happens? Basic coding knowledge and understanding might still be valuable. Understanding how software actually works under the hood is helpful. It allows for better problem solving when issues arise. We need to find a good balance in using these tools. AI should assist humans, augmenting their skills, not entirely replacing them. Continuous learning and adaptation will be very important for everyone. In conclusion, vibe coding holds immense potential for the future of software. It can truly revolutionize how we create and interact with technology. It makes the development process more democratic, inclusive, and faster. There are certainly challenges to address, such as accuracy and security. However, the benefits it offers are very compelling and transformative. We should embrace this exciting innovation with an open mind. Let's learn to use these new tools, adapt to changes, and build the future together.